Joe DiCarlo will be on the hit TV show Survivor, if he can survive his own audition. To impress the producers, Joe's going to rappel down a 60-foot rock face. Wanting everything to be perfect, he makes some last-minute adjustments.
I'm rolling.
Unfortunately, his brain's already been voted off the island.
Yeah.
Looks like Joe forgot to measure the rope. Soon, rescue workers arrive to look for survivors and airlift Joe to the local hospital. Joe didn't get on Survivor, but that's okay, because you can't eat rat with your jaw wired shut.
I don't remember being there, rigging up, the rappelling, getting hurt, none of it. So the only thing I can figure that happened was that I'd misjudged the amount of slack that I pulled up. I just remember waking up in ICU.
There may not be a $1 million check with his name on it, but Joe did prove that no one's granted immunity from gravity. What could be more romantic than a beautiful candle dance? Maybe a moonlight drive to the emergency room. This man holds his candle too close and accidentally catches his date's hair on fire. A concerned friend leaps into action by pointing and laughing. Maybe the smooth operator finally realized that this girl is his perfect match. This bodybuilder is trying to get all pumped up. But when the tough guy in tights develops a weight problem, he's headed for trouble. Looks like Hercules here can't perform under pressure. Hopefully for him, there's a first aid kit in this cabinet. Because his workout didn't work out. Instead of hiring professional movers, these guys decide to save a few bucks and do it themselves. But when their new refrigerator is too big for the door, they decide to try the window. Now they're about to make a chilling discovery. When the appliance surprisingly doesn't fit, they realize they need to approach things from a new angle. So the group harnesses their brain power. Too bad they didn't harness the fridge. It obviously didn't fit through his window either. These guys may have destroyed their fridge, but at least this experience will give them food for thought.